नमस्कार। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री गुरु दत्तात्रेयाय नमः। March 3rd, 2026 Tuesday. శ్రీ విశ్వావసు నామ సంవత్సర ఉత్తరాయణ శిశి ఋతు ఫాల్గుణ మాస శుక్లపక్ష తిథి పున్నమ till 5:01 pm. నక్షత్ర మఖ till 7:32 am. యోగా సుకర్మ till 10:39 am. Karanam Bhava till 5:01 pm, followed by Balva till 4:51 am next day. Vajram from 3:35 pm to 5:11 pm. Durmuhurtam from 8:41 am to 9:28 am, and again from 10:58 pm to 11:47 pm. Amritakalam ends at 6:48 am, and again from 1:13 am to 2:15 am next day. Rahu Kalam from 3 pm to 4:30 pm. Yamaganda or Ketu Kalam is from 9 am to 10:30 am. Sun sign Kumbham Aquarius. Moon sign Simham Leo. Sunrise at 6:23 am and sunset at 6:02 pm. Holi festival and Sri Lakshmi Jayanti. There is a partial lunar eclipse. Pakshika Chandra Grahanam. Starts at 3:20 pm. Peak time 5:03 pm. End time 6:47 pm. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. Shubhamastu.